What is the difference between data analytics versus computer information system? This video was a highly requested video from one of my subscribers. And let me tell you, a girl is always going to deliver. So if you're one of them, you may think to gear towards a certain degree, you don't know the potential salary, the roles, anything of that nature, go ahead and drop it here below. Let's talk about it. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to subscribe to this platform. Also to click the notification bell so you'll be able to get more of my videos as I produce them. So let's talk about it. What is the difference between data analytics and computer information system? Let's get right into it. So when it comes down to data analytics, it's all about converting raw data into actionable insight. You can always pause this video, by the way, and go through it so that you just don't feel rushed. But I just want to clarify a bit, and then you can make your decision. As it relates to data analytics, you can shape business processes that improve decision making and foster business growth. On the other hand, with computer information system, it allows you to apply technology to manage data and allow it to transfer between computer connected to the same network. As it relates to support and handling businesses, it's all about risk mitigating and making sure you're able to perform proper tasks as it relates to business. All right, so let's talk about what they both have in common. As you can see, for both data is very important. And let me tell you something, when it comes down to businesses, business will pay for their data, because when we talk about people information, that is a big lawsuit for breach. We don't want to go through that. So when it comes down to data, we have to protect them. And as you can see, for data analytics and computer information system, it's all about the data. So let's talk about it. So information system, data management is an extremely important area for businesses in today's world. And that includes protecting data. Data compliance is just one of the many business operations for someone with computer information system knowledge could help with. So as you can see, it's extremely important. And by the way, by the time you get through this, you're going to keep hearing the data, but just to emphasize on it that it's really about protected, right? So on the other hand, for data analytics, it's various approach to data analytics, including looking at what happened, the description between them, what happened. It's more deeper when it comes down to data analytics. What should be done next, to protect, or just in case if anything should go wrong. So data analytics, they rely on various different software tools, right? Whether it be spreadsheet, reporting tool, data programs, open source languages, visualization, and so on, because at the end of the day, they need to know how to explain and manipulate data if that needs to be. So let's talk a little bit of what it really consists of. And I'm not going to go through all, because as you can see, it's a lot. But when it comes down to data analytics, it's really about gathering data from primary, secondary sources, detect, they clean data, scrutinize, generate, report, collaborate amongst management to make a decision depending on what needs to be done, right? They convey insight through both report and visual presentation and so on. So as you can see, it's very important when it comes down to both. It's just that you would have to know which one you think you have that passion and skill set for. And one thing I'm going to say, you always want to get up feeling good going to your job. So you would have to make the decision as it relates and comparing the difference between them. So when we talk about, on the other hand, computer information system, right? They test data, they build, they repair computers and system installation, maintain the hardware and software that's running from one to multiple different locations. So as you can see the difference between them, let's talk about salary, because that's very important, right? They said encouragement, strengthen labor. So salary should encouragement labor, right? So I'm gonna share the entry level between both. And I live in Florida, so I just wanted to given an idea what you can do for yourself, you can always plug it in on Google and search it for your state or city that you live in. So as you can see, for information technology, as you can see, they pay $44,000 a year. So you make anywhere from about $21 to $22 an hour, just depending, right? And for data analytics, as you can see, they pay $70,000 a year. So $34, between $34 and $35, and it just depends. So you have to do your due diligence and research so you'll be able to know the difference and if it's really worth the investment, right? That's always important. So this is very long. I don't want to get, I don't want you to be bored, so I'm not going to go through everything, but just wanted to touch on the roles and the responsibilities, the skill set, qualification. So it's about possessing solid foundation in statistics, practical experience. You have to learn a little bit of software languages, so to speak, whether it's SQL, Python, and so on. Also the capability of evaluating data, right? Meaningful, actionable insight. And for data analytics, they require a bachelor's degree in computer science or information management or statistic, so there's a little bit of leverage here and there. For CIS, you just need hard skills and soft skill. You need a combination of both, because at the end of the day, you want to become, teachable, technical measures, so to speak. Also, you want to be great at problem solving when it comes down to analytic skills. Communication and interpersonal skills is a must. Also, you need to become attentive to details, right? We don't want to miss any details, because one little misleading details can turn into a disaster. So that's very important. Ability to work on a team, because this is going to consist of collaborating at times depending on the work task. Time management is a must in organization. Imaginary creation, thinking, recollective, verbal, and logics, and focus on results, and so on. So I just wanted to share that with you so you understand the role. So after comparing the difference between data analytics and computer information system, I would like to hear your thoughts. After watching this video, I want to hear from you. So drop me a comment below. Let me know which career path you're learning towards, or which one you're trying to pursue at this time, which is it data analytics or computer information system, or maybe something else. Share your thoughts on why you were drawn about this specific role. And let's start a conversation about your career goal and aspiration. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you're brand new to this channel. Until then, we'll see you around. Thank you for watching and be blessed.